If you don't cry on your birthday, is it even your birthday?
But
Yeah, January has been very difficult for both of us, I feel.
To you, happy birthday.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of More Mouse. So today's video is going to be my birthday vlog and my Pati Dev is not here for my birthday. This is the second birthday where I'm spending it without, like, celebrating it without him. Last year I was in Paris and that time also I told him that you come because Airbnb hai. We all had, like, all four of us had different rooms, so like staying was not a problem, but he had weddings, so he could not come. And this year also he has a wedding on 26th itself, so he cannot ditch it. But yeah, it is what it is. Aaj subah only he left, like he had a flight at 5 a.m. in the morning, so 3 o'clock at night, like in the morning he left. So I haven't slept, I have cried. So this is the swollen batata face that you guys are gonna see right now. But I'm just a girl, you guys. To make myself happy, I go get my nails done, and also it's my birthday, so I wanna get my nails done. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे, and also it's Ranjit's birthday today, my जीजू. So शाम को मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी. Like हमारा birthday tradition आपको पता ही है कि किसी का भी birthday होता है, we go out for dinner with family. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along. So let's go. Hi guys, so I went and got myself a nice shake. I didn't go to Starbucks. I went to this place called Coffee Bean and I got a cookie and creams ice blended shake. It's too good. It's not very sweet also. Then I went to Mr. DIY and I'm gonna show you what I got. Just two things. बर्तन करने के लिए apron जो हमारे पास नहीं था उस दिन. My house help didn't come and I had to do the बर्तन and I'm like, मेरे घर पे apron कैसे नहीं है? तो मैंने ये एक beige कलर का लिया हुआ है. I like the lavender one over there, but उस पे एक price tag नहीं था. So ये this was the second best. Second best. The moment I start drinking, I start stuttering. Anyways, and then मेरे मास्टर बेडरूम का, मतलब जो स्टूडियो रूम है, सॉरी फॉर द लाइटिंग, जो स्टूडियो रूम है वहाँ का जो बाथरूम का मैट होता है वो पूरा खराब हो चुका है. आई विल शो यू घर जाके. तो आई गॉट जस्ट वन बाथ मैट बेज कलर का. अगेन आई वांटेड अ ग्रे वन बट वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था, वहाँ पे था नहीं, और जो था वो खराब हुआ था, तो आई हैड टू टेक दिस. बट या, ओनली घरेलू स्टफ यू गाइस. Hello. So yeah, I am back to my house and this is the condition of this, and this one right here might eat that. Evie, you scratched me yaar. Yes, I know, I love you so much. बिछा दिया है मैंने. Perfect. वो वाला बड़ा भी था थोड़ा, तो वो अभी once I took this Alex over here, वो बैठ नहीं रहा था, तो that's why I wanted a smaller one. I love the sunlight in this house. Like, it's beautiful. Sun is blazing outside. Oh my God.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई?
सॉरी गाइज, आई एम ट्राइंग टू ओवर चियर माई सेल्फ इज बिकॉज ये साल भगवान ने एकदम ही सारे ही मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स साथ में दे दिए हैं. मतलब सॉरी फॉर द लाइटिंग, इट विल सेटल डाउन इन अ मिनट. एवर सिंस आई हैव लाइक क्रॉस्ड माई 23rd आई थिंक बर्थडे के बाद, आई डोंट नो, I just don't like celebrating my birthdays anymore. Is because I just feel the attention is very temporary, and then the next day nobody cares about you. Like वो दिन पे इतना cake, gifts, stories, यहाँ त्याँ, and then next दिन पे is nothing. So I don't know. Like I read that quote the other day. Everybody knows about this quote. Ki if you don't cry on your birthday, is it even your birthday? There's not a single birthday that I have not cried on. Let me know if you are also like me or is it just me. I know you are also like that. Yes, you who is watching this is also like me. मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? Who are just like so sad on their birthdays for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, मेरे को मालूम है reason क्या है. It's because मेरे को periods दे दिए भगवान ने birthday के time पे. Like this is my second day today. So I'm gonna continue till 26th. My husband is not here. Oh, the first birthday after getting married, and just my
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
And third, my take on birthdays. All three of these is a deadly combination on this 26th 2025. Anyways, it is what it is. I'm gonna go to my house now because यहाँ पे कोई काम नहीं है. जो भी था मैंने कर लिया, तो ईवी को उठा के मैं बस निकल रही हूँ मेरे घर के लिए. I think Chevy is at home. I have no idea. Let's see. We shall see. Also, my nails look as if Chevy has done them. Can you guys? Like, I don't know why I did this. I wanted like beautiful red hearts, but then I decided red क्यों? Purple करते हैं. Purple किया. बट ये काफ़ी मोटे मोटे हार्ट्स बना दिए हैं. अब मेरे नेल्स छोटे हैं. लाइक आई डोंट डू एक्सटेंशंस. दीज आर माई रियल नेल्स. लाइक जो लेंथ है वो. सो इट्स लुकिंग अ लिटिल एज इफ से बच्चे ने ग्राफिटी ड्रॉ कर दी हो. आई एम श्योर शेवी इज गोना लाइक दिस. वी आर गोना टेक शेवीज ओपिनियन ऑन दीज नेल्स. बट या, सो माई नेल टेक्नीशियन शी सेड, मैम आपने तो वैलेंटाइंस के नेल्स कर दिए. एंड इट डिडंट इवन क्लिक मी. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओह वाओ, यस वैलेंटाइंस. बट आई डोंट थिंक माय हस्बैंड इज देयर फॉर वैलेंटाइंस आल्सो.
चल. गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर.
You are so beautiful, Mamash. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are beautiful.
A lot of people always ask me that, like people who don't like dogs, I have a lot of members who love dogs, okay? But then there are 3-4 people who are like always telling me, oh, उनके saliva में ये होता है, वो होता है, and all of that. It's okay, that's the raz of my skin, you guys. And also, you have no idea how well Evie is kept. I don't show that part of like my life. I don't generally show कि मैं Evie को कितनी बार ग्रूम करती हूँ घर पे. नॉट जस्ट द स्पास जो मैं स्टोरी पे डालती हूँ, बट Evie, not to brag, but is a very very clean dog. And everybody who knows me and has been with Evie has always said this, that Evie does not smell. ना उसके मुंह से बास आती है, ना उसके बॉडी से बास आती है. ऐसे भी नहीं कि you know one of a time कभी आ गई हो, कभी भी नहीं है. She'll turn 3 in this June. Everybody that day, Ashi was saying like, bro, I have, even Alfia, she's like, I have never let any dog lick my face, but Evie is the only one that I let, you know, that dog ki, because we don't feel disgusted. After every meal I clean her teeth with my fingers, and like she drinks water, and like she's very clean basically. So I love my dog. I will let her kiss me because I kiss her. Yeah.
अरे
ओळखता का?
अरे या.
A few hours later.
We are in Chevy's house and she's done some renovation. Chevy, you need to show me what you've done. What is it?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's start the vlog with showing my outfit. So
Hey bhai,
ऐसा लगता.
I told them that you're gonna show your room renovation,
So
whatever
then
you've
I
done.
was gonna
Why
show-
do you wanna show your
First I'm
outfit?
gonna show this and then
No,
show that.
मेरे पास कोई अल्फाज नहीं है, मुझे माफ कर दे आप लोग सारे, मुझे छुट्टी दे दे.
show what is this?
So here I have got a holder. So here you can put your clips. There is a pencil holder where I clearly put my phone. Another, and you can hang chicks
And are you gonna study over here on this table?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I have a study table.
And
Another
she also has one more
mirror.
table over
With
here
a chest.
and a mirror.
Don't mind the mess.
Yes, yeah. Nobody's minding the mess. Happy birthday I want your opinion on my nails.
Your nails are beautiful also because you like lavender and you always put sparkles on your nails.
Arey, but wow, what? What is your opinion on this?
Amazing.
You liked it?
Loved it.
See, I knew it.
Because it looks good with the
I knew that she will like this. I haven't liked this. This looks like as if you have done these on my nails.
No.
Yeah, it's a very shabby job.
The hearts are not proper.
See, that's why I asked you your opinion. Oh, birthday boy. कुठे जायचंय कुठे?
सिल्वर ओक्स
चलना, बट कुठे चलना?
पुढे जायला सिल्वर ओक्स
खाऊन टाका नाही तर शेवी उद्या पण खायचं.
Hello, when they are
The next day.
Hi guys, it's 25th and it's I think 8 o'clock and this is how I am spending my birthday eve. No, this is not birthday eve, but the eve. मेरे बिल्डिंग में नीचे सेलिब्रेशंस चल रहे हैं, so you can hear the noise. The anchor is playing games with the kids and all. But Evie and I are here. We were watching Modern Family. आज पूरा दिन मैंने टाइम पास किया है. I didn't want to like work or anything of that sorts. So yeah, that's what I am up to.
A little later.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to your Manasi. Happy birthday to me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Only food.
बर्थडे वर्कआउट
आपका मसल बंद हो रहा है मेरा.
What is the plan? अचानक से
44 चीज जैन चीज पाव भाजी
Jane cheese Szechuan power.
विथ चटनी विथ हरी चटनी
ग्रीन चटनी.
So yeah, this is the plan, guys. Pav. I don't even like pav bhaji, but ठीक है. डोसा मिलता है
अभी
यार.
बोली थी चीज पाव भाजी.
तुम लोग के लिए बोला मैंने.
Subway के लिए गाली
सबवे के बदले तो पाव भाजी ब्रो. 3 बजे है सुबह के. इसको देख रही है. Good morning. It's my birthday. I have turned 28. Oh. I slept at 5 o'clock. Not even 5 o'clock. Later than that. मेरी दोस्त निधि को घर छोड़ने गए. And then my friends dropped me घर पे. कुछ है नहीं plan. I think I have 2 scripts to write and also a shoot. It's a regular day, you guys. My parents have made some nice food for me, so I will go for lunch over there. And Tai and Ranjit also have made my favorite dahi vade for sham ka kuch hai unka program. I don't know. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I don't know how much I'll vlog, but I just wanted to come here and thank you guys for all the wishes. I'm seeing all the Instagram DMs and emails. You guys are very sweet. Thank you so much. Also, Sahil left me a card before he left. Happy birthday, love. Open on the 26th. Okay, try to. उसकी handwriting इतनी बेकार है. Try to understand the handwriting. That's what I just said. If you can. Happy 28th verb. Of course, I'm not gonna show it to you अंदर का matter, but you and me always. And it's penguins. So this is the birthday outfit vibe. This year I did not buy anything. I was like, we'll wear whatever we have. So these shorts I have since years, you must have seen it, from H&M. And this shirt was actually gifted by this Instagram store called aina.co. It's like a birthday gift she sent me. She's such a cutie. She always keeps sending me some of the other gifts. So thank you. I'll be tagging her Instagram page in the description so you can go check it out. I like that it's not see-through. But yeah, this is the vibe. I have not done any makeup, just lip balm. And we are heading to my parents' house for lunch. And yeah, let's go.
Days later.
Hey guys, good morning. It's 28th. I'm sorry, it's 29th. Yeah, it's 29th. And I was not here for Manasi's birthday. She's a very understanding wife, to be honest. And I missed her birthday. I wanted to surprise her. And that is why I'm just making pancakes for her for breakfast. She's still sleeping. And I just hope that she does not get up before I finish my pancakes. So I've got a Nutella, bananas and everything. And I'm making it very quietly because nahi to uth jaiye. So I'll just quickly show you. So just उठाया है मैंने नींद से अचानक से. I was playing the song दिल ही तो है, cut for copyright reasons. How did you like it? Sorry, did you like it or not?
I'm hungry.
You want more? Should I make more? Sure. ठीक है, नंतर ब्लॉक कर.
I'll make for you.
One nap later.
Hi guys, I'm back. So I just saw the clips that Sahil vlogged. Oh my god, it's so bad and so cute at the same time. He's trying to figure out the angle. He did not have the tripod. He did not know where the cameras are. वो बेचारा अपने फ़ोन से ऐसा struggle कर करके उसने vlog किया है. Horrible lighting. I have Nutella on my cheek when I was eating. But anyways, I have freshened up and I thought I'll talk to you guys before I go ahead for a bath. So Sahil and Evie have gone for the grooming. बिकॉज ईवी का हेयर कट बचा है, स्पा बचा है ये महीने का. सो साहिल इज़ वॉलंटियरिंग एंड ही इज़ टेकिंग हर 3 साल में. ईवी विल टर्न 3 इन दिस जून. 3 साल में फर्स्ट या सेकेंड टाइम साहिल उसको अपने अब खुद लेके जा रहा है. सो आई वाज लाइक या ओके यू कैन गो. सो ही वॉलंटियर्ड. आई हैव टू शूट 3 वीडियोज़. एक वो वेडिंग आउटफिट्स वाला वीडियो, मतलब मेरे को अभी गोली मार देंगे लोग अगर मैंने वो वीडियो नहीं बनाया तो. सो आई एम सिटिंग डाउन एंड लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल माई वेडिंग आउटफिट्स एंड लाइक द कॉस्ट एंड वेयर आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम एंड ऑल. तो वो एक मेन चैनल वीडियो है ऑर्गेनिक. एंड देन आई हैव 2 ऑर्गेनिक शॉर्ट्स टू फिल्म बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू गेट रेगुलर ऑन शॉर्ट्स बिकॉज आई फील शॉर्ट्स में ही ग्रोथ है. इफ़ यू सी द फॉलोअर काउंट इंक्रीजेस मैसिवली लाइक दिस व्हेन यू पोस्ट शॉर्ट्स. तो वो करना है. ऑल्सो आई लुक सो टेरिबल. लाइक मेरे को I think day before yesterday I had like a mild fever in the afternoon, and since then my sinuses are flaring up as soon as it like the sun sets. I don't know what it is. जैसे ही sun set हो जाता है मेरा फ्लेयर अप चालू हो जाता है. रात को तो मेरी हालत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी, इसलिए पीछे यू विल सी विक्स वेपरेब एंड सूमो कोल्ड एंड वॉट नॉट. तो इसलिए मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स भी फ्लेयर अप हो रहे हैं बिकॉज मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही ढंग से. आज का प्लान है कि आफ्टर माई शूट इज़ डन, actually at 12:30, it's almost 12 o'clock right now, I have a meeting with YouTube and then I will shoot the videos that I told you guys and then I will clear my closet out. So I think ऐसा मेरे को एक तलब आती है 1 साल बाद कि मैं पूरा का पूरा closet नया करूँ. मतलब कपड़े, not closet. I am going to declutter because I feel I have been wearing just 4 t-shirts एंड 2 जीन्स एवरी डे एंड 2-3 समर ड्रेसेस. बाकी सब मैं पहन ही नहीं रही हूँ. नॉट बिकॉज आई डोंट फिट इन देम बट बिकॉज दे आर ओवर वोन एंड लाइक अभी मेरे को नया चाहिए, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई डोंट नो, फॉर सम अदर रीजन आई एम नॉट टचिंग द अदर क्लोथ्स. सो आई एम गोना लिटरली सिट एंड आस्क माई सेल्फ इफ आई एम गोना यूज दीज क्लोथ्स और नॉट. अदरवाइज आई पुट इट फॉर thrifting or donate. So I have this organization called SADS. No paid collaboration with them. SADS.org something. You can search about it on Google. So they come home, pick it up, and they donate the clothes to the orphans, which is a nice thing. I mean, not every time you can go and visit the orphanage, so you can do this. VFast का आपको कुछ खर्चा करना पड़ता है. That's it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today.
Meanwhile,
Hey guys, good morning. Today it's my father, Evie's father duties. I'm taking her to grooming. I've left very early and post that I'll be going to the office ताकि work भी miss ना हो and Evie का grooming भी हो जाए. She was very excited when we got down and I was having a meeting call. तो मैं meeting call लेते I just sat in the car. I was about to start the car, so I thought I'll vlog first. इसको देखो. Evie, you have to stop crying. I'm just right here outside, okay? You don't worry.
A few hours later.
How do you feel after a good grooming session? You feel good? You feel very groomed? You feel cutie? Yes, Babalu. Yes, Babalu. Yes. The घरी जायचं.
Okay, so I am ready. I am figuring out where to place you guys. Should I place you here? Yeah. So I'm done. I am ready, but I haven't eaten. 1:45 बज चुका है, so I need to eat. और मैं डायरेक्टली अभी कढ़ाई से खाने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मेरी शादी हो चुकी है. You know that कहावत कि if you eat from कढ़ाई तुम्हारे शादी पे बारिश होती है, बट मेरी शादी पे नहीं हुई. साहिल and I both have been eating from कढ़ाई, so it is proven that it's a myth. So yeah, I'm just going to eat फट. साहिल को भी मैंने डब्बा बांध के दिया so that he does not eat junk while he waits for Evie and goes to office. In my defense, कढ़ाई में बहुत कम सब्जी बचा है, so there is no point in taking out dishes and all of that. That is why I'm doing this. आज तुम लोग कमेंट करो और बताओ कि तुमने क्या खाया लंच में, ठीक है? So I will know that you have religiously watched this video. It's out of nowhere. Just write the food item. I want the comment section to be full of different food items. So if a new person comes and watches this video, they'll be like, क्या चल रहा है comment section में? I have changed the parda of this bedroom. If you have followed Manasi Mau or More Mau, you know that I did renovation long back of this. Like ये येलो वगैरह सब किया था. यहाँ पे ग्रे कलर का पर्दा था, but recently I just felt like grey was not going with it, so I changed this curtain. And also I'm sitting to shoot over here because जो स्टूडियो रूम का AC था वो निकाल के हमने बेडरूम में डाला है बिकॉज अभी साहिल भी यहाँ पे रह रहा है. सो आई वांटेड कि ही इज़ कम्फर्टेबल एंड यहाँ पे भी AC हो इन केस गर्मी लगे, तो स्टूडियो रूम का निकाल के हमने यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है. सो आई एम गोना शूट हियर बिकॉज स्टूडियो रूम में फिर शूट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. इट्स प्रीटी हॉट टुडे इन मुंबई, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. So I am figuring out a new setup. So go on Manasi Mau and tell me if you liked that setup. I don't know ये वीडियो कब जाएगा और वो वाला वीडियो जो मैं अभी फिल्म कर रही हूँ वो कब जाएगा. You are a loyal Mau fam, so I know you're gonna watch the videos, especially this one, the wedding outfits one. So let me know if you like the new setup. So this is how the backdrop looks like. I have 2 lights over here. This is like gonna give me the under light and this is like my fill light. I'm gonna show you how it looks on camera. Looks like a very dreamy setup. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. Hi guys, so I finally got some time to talk to you guys and do the outro of this vlog because ये vlog को कोई सर नहीं है, पैर नहीं है. I have just been vlogging left right from 24th under the pressure of birthday vlog नहीं बनाया and all of that. मैंने बहुत pressure में आके ये vlog बनाया था because I feel somewhere I was feeling guilty कि शादी के बाद कुछ vlogs ही नहीं जा रहे हैं. And we had a reason which Sahil will talk about in a bit, but yeah, so I thought आज 1.5 महीने बाद हमको टाइम मिला है तो हम बैठ के अभी आउट्रो करने वाले हैं ये व्लॉग का.
And honestly, after the wedding यही टाइम मिला है हमें बैठने का. And I take the blame. I was not around like as a husband, as a son, as a son-in-law. Last month, January month was one of the heaviest, maybe the heaviest that I have seen across in my work. So that is the reason हम लोग there was no time to do anything.
Yeah, he's been just flying in and out.
Yeah, flights here, there, travel करना, काम करना. So that was it. जो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा hectic था, and that's the reason we could not film the videos or anything that we wanted to do. Like we wanted to do this for a very long time. Like post the wedding also we thought कि हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे.
So we had some plans कि शादी के बाद ये वीडियो बनाएंगे या वो वीडियो बनाएंगे, but कोई obligation नहीं था as such, because मैंने बहुत clearly बोल दिया था कि this is not gonna be a couple channel. Neither are we planning to start couple channel anytime soon. So ऐसा कोई obligation नहीं था कि अरे बनानी ही है, but हमको एक वीडियो तो बनाना था sit down, क्योंकि I think after we made our relationship public in August, उसके बाद आज तक एक ही वीडियो गया है साहिल के साथ. So मुझे एक वीडियो बनाना था और उसको भी बनाना था कि we reflect back on the wedding and give you some inside information what happened, this that करके वो करना था, but time ही नहीं मिल पाया because he was just not available, not for anybody, खुद के लिए भी he was not available, he was just running and doing the work because back to back weddings थे.
That's another thing that I wanted to address, that recently when I was reading the comments.
Yeah, he doesn't watch the vlogs but he reads the comments.
I watch the vlogs sometimes, but कभी-कभी like I have a habit of reading comments on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. Directly मेरा comment पहले ही खुलता है. So we saw a few speculations, certain messages for Manasi कि नहीं, there's something wrong.
So बड़े messages.
Sai was not there for her birthday. कुछ in-laws के बीच में problem है. There's nothing like that. It is, to be honest, entirely on timelines and you know us not getting time to be together because of the past month. But
yeah, January has been very difficult for both of us, I feel.
But January is gone now, and February be heavier in terms of work, but it is comparatively lighter to what January was. So we're aiming and hoping to, you know, maybe shoot 1 or 2 videos, some challenge videos, some fun videos that we actually have fun while filming it and while doing it. So that's the goal. And आज भी I think ये वाले vlog में भी मैंने थोड़ा 1-2 जगह पे vlog किया है, बहुत awkwardly किया है, but still I thought कि you know voluntarily मैं कर लेता हूँ because I have been MIA since a very long time. Thank you so much for all your wishes because I haven't been able to personally address to you guys for all the fan pages and all the fan edits.
मैं तो बहुत अच्छे से online हूँ, माऊ मंडल में मैं बहुत बात करती रहती हूँ मेरे फैन के साथ.
All the beautiful edits and the messages and videos and everything, they are really amazing and we're really grateful for.
And all the comments under the wedding vlog, they are so beautiful.
Very wholesome.
इतने बड़े-बड़े paragraphs लिखे हैं, प्यारे-प्यारे comments लिखे हैं आपने, and like से दुआ दिखती है कि सामने से बहुत प्यार से from your heart you have written that comment.
And
so,
in fact,
thank you so much.
comments में तो दिखती है, like I met काफी लोगों को, I met at the airport or when I'm going towards different cities, वो लोग भी मिलके they're congratulating and they know that you know we've gotten married, so congratulations and all of that. So it feels very good.
Alright, so that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment on what other videos you want me to do, and I'll see you next time. Until then,
stay positive
and stay happy. Bye.